Your next car could be the 2023 Nissan Ariya. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.